Hi, I'm Drew Morales, General Manager here at Ripley's Believe It or Not in Panama City Beach. Here in the big sunken ship, we have 4 fun attractions. We have the world-famous Ripley's Believe It or Not Auditorium that has all kinds of weird animals, artifacts, people from all over the world. There's the world's tallest man, different artifacts from Asia, Africa, all over. We're actually celebrating our 100th anniversary of the Ripley's Believe It or Not cartoon this year. We also have a 7D movie theater where the seats move and we have guns. You can shoot monsters and aliens and play against your friends and family. We have a mirror maze with hundreds of mirrors. There's different pirate artifacts inside, so you can look for the pirate guns, the treasure, the swords while you're trying to find your way out. We have a souvenir wax hands where you can make an actual wax mold of your hand and take it home and decorate it in your favorite colors, whether that be your school or your favorite sports team. And we also have different unique souvenirs in our gift shop. So there's a lot of fun, a lot of things to see and do here at Ripley's Believe It or Not in Panama City Beach.